In this winter review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money by testing products on this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Wynter is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Wynter is a 100% legit website, and the way it works is Wynter basically have partnership with a lot of businesses around the world, and what they do is they give insights and surveys to these businesses. So how you can make money is that you can be a tester for these other businesses and you can basically give them surveys or product interviews or even product demos. So in order to become a participant for you guys to test these products, all you have to do is click on for participants and get to sign up, and you will be redirected to this page right over here. It says you can become a research participant and you can make extra income, and the way it works is you can get paid to participate in research studies, then customer interviews and product demos as well. So the problem with this website right over here is that it is not available worldwide. So it is only available in the US, Canada, Australia, Europe and New Zealand. So if you are not from these countries, you can't be participating in these surveys, in these research studies, customer interviews and product demos. You won't be able to do that. And for you guys to become a participant, you can click over here. You can see if you can qualify for it. And the way it works is first you have to sign up and you will be given an onboarding survey. So based on the survey, they will decide if you really qualify for this website right over here. And in order to sign up, you will need a professional LinkedIn account. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, don't even try to sign up because they will probably reject you. Having a LinkedIn account is very necessary for you guys to actually sign up, and you will also need a private email as well as a work email. So this work email is basically not from Gmail or Hotmail or any of the popular email website. You will need a work email which is different than your private email. So with the work email and the LinkedIn account, you can probably sign up and then you can be a participant after you get accepted, and you can basically get product demos, customer interviews and all this stuff. And the surveys, they usually take about 5 to 50 minutes. That's all that takes. So 5 to 50 minutes. And the product demos and the interviews are going to take about 30 to 60 minutes. And the amount of payment that you're going to be getting is going to be varying a lot. So you can be getting about $5 to $600 for every surveys or product demos or interviews that you take. So don't really expect to make $600 for every product demos or interviews that you take. It's really going to depend on who as a person you are. So if they are looking for the person who is working in a specific industry, they might pay a bit higher for the product demos or interviews that you take. But getting a survey up to $600 is going to be really hard. And you can get paid by gift cards, Visa, PayPal or even charities. You can use this method to actually withdraw your money. So it's cool. And also one more thing is that as soon as you have done the surveys, you can withdraw your money within about 5 days. So after you do just one survey, you can be getting the payout within 5 days. So the thing is that you won't be getting a lot of surveys or product demos or interviews. That's the problem. So the maximum number of participation that you can be doing is maybe once a month, or maybe once a week. It's really gonna depend. So it really depends on how much surveys you are going to be getting. Maybe you're going to be getting one survey every month, or two surveys every 2 months, or 3 surveys in 3 months, or maybe just one survey in 3 months. So it really depends. You won't be getting a lot of product demos or interviews or surveys. It is going to be really low. But if you're the kind of person that Wynter is looking for, then they might probably give you, one survey per month. So it really depends. And this survey doesn't have to go up to $600. The survey is going to be maybe, $50, maybe $30, maybe $100, maybe $150. To get up to $600 is going to be really rare. So Wynter can only be a part-time income. I don't think it can replace your full-time income because of the amount of surveys you're going to be getting every month is going to be pretty low, and the amount of money you're going to be making is also very low. So if it were me, I would have considered this as a part-time job, or maybe checking this out once a month. That's all that I would have done. It's probably not going to replace your full-time income, or it can't be a part-time job or anything like that. So as a website, Wynter is a 100% legit website, and yes, people are making money by research studies, customer interviews, and product demos. You can definitely make money, but making up to $600 per survey is not happening because it's going to be super rare. So that's basically it for this video of Wynter. I really hope you enjoyed this. But if you're here, maybe you are looking to make a full-time income, or maybe even a part-time income that pays more than what Wynter does. So maybe if you're looking to make $1,000, maybe $5,000, or even up to $10,000 per month, I recommend my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. You can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free affiliate marketing guide, and if you want to check it out, you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.